Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A17 and let me share with you how to activate OTG connection on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find system settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again, and as you can see in this section on the first position we've got the OTG connection. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see this option is active, which simply means that right now you can freely use the OTG connection. If you'd like to turn it off, you can do it using two different ways. Let's say you can do it of course manually just by tapping on the switcher, or as you can see we've got this information that the OTG connection will be automatically turned off when it will be not in use for 10 minutes. So you can either turn it off manually or simply wait. And basically that's all. This is how to enable the OTG connection in your OPPO A17. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.